To customize the customer portal, click Settings and select Portal. Then General. Enter the portal URL prefix. This is the URL that your customers will use to access the portal. A quick link appears underneath that provides a view of the customer portal during setup. Add your company display name. Enter a URL for an external homepage. This allows an MSP organization to link to their company website from the MSP Manager portal. Configure your company's primary and accent color. And select a file for the company logo. The image file type should be PNG or JPEG. Save your settings. The customer portal is now active.